So what we have here is the car that I ran in Rockton. And this is an old body car. This is 92 to 96 body. But if you take a look, the motor has coil packs. That's because I put a 97 to 99 motor inside this car. Now, that means I can test my 97 to 99 harness on this car. So let's install the harness. So let's just go around to the interior. So here we are, basically the exact same way we left the other one, with the main engine harness just unplugged and put down by the firewall. So what we're going to want to do now is we're going to want to plug in the two bottom plugs to the computer. Just like that. Now the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug in the square blue plug that can sometimes be white, like this one, the rectangle white plug, and the top plug to the computer. Just like that. That's all you want to do. Now the negative, what I do is there's one bolt that holds on the computer, and I attach the negative right there. So that takes 110 mil. Just undo that. Stick this in behind there. Normally I do this a little bit better on the derby cars, but it's pretty damn cold outside. And then the next, I install the positive, just like this. Just twist them together, and I put morettes over top of them. I know that you guys make fun of me for using morettes, but that's fine. So that is this harness pretty much installed. Now what we got to do is got to make sure the car's in park. Got to put the positive on for the battery. Turn your computer on, which is just right over here. Turn your computer on, fuel pump on, and then for the starter, I just touch this white wire off the actual positive. So let's hear this thing run. Basically, that is it. That is all it takes for this thing to run. Just those little plugs right there. Oh, let me get the light for you guys. And that's it. As you can see, all the fuse panels gone. I do have those off the 92 to 96 motor, but I never took them off. So running pretty good. And then to turn it off, all you do is turn off that toggle switch. Just like that. And then fuel, and then alternator. Now everything's turned off, and that's how simple these harnesses are. So that's why I want to share these guys with you. And if you guys do make sure you guys like and subscribe below, because there's more harness videos to come. There's still my 2000 and 2001 harness to come. So there's plenty more things to come. So thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's workshop. And hopefully you guys are able to build these harnesses. And like I said, I am still willing to build these harnesses. So if you guys need a harness built, mail me your plugs, I'll build the harness, and I'll mail it back to you for $100. That's including shipping, and you get a free Zach's Workshop t-shirt when you order one. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow.